Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be styling my hair. I'm not sure what style I'm doing yet. My name is Mya, for those of you who don't know. I specialize in custom wigs, virgin hair, bundles, installs, wig revamps. That's mainly it. I just released the ebook on how to revamp your wig. For those who don't know how to revamp their wig at home but want to revamp their wig properly instead of like always buying new hair, my custom wig orders just opened back up today, and virgin hair bundle orders. So on the website you can order your bundles and wigs. I'm looking for a comb. This is crazy. I know I just had one, but I want a bigger one. Maybe I'm not gonna get no big one. I was thinking about doing a half up, half down type situation, but I think I like it down. I had my hair tied down for 2 days without a melt band and without tying the curls down. So it's really just everywhere right now. I don't even know what style I'm thinking to do. I'm gonna do like a half up, half down. I'm just gonna do like a half up, half down ponytail. Probably gonna take this out tonight, so I don't want it to be like hard. I just want it to be up for now. All wigs come custom size, small, medium, large. If you don't know your size when it comes to like ordering a wig, it'll be best if you take your circumference. That's the most important measurement to know. If you don't know how to take your circumference, but you're used to wearing wigs and you always like just order wigs offline and wear regular wigs are normally like a size medium. So if those wigs are too big normally for you, I would go down a size. If those wigs are too small normally for you, I would go up a size to a large. If you want to come in and book a consultation for wig measurements, you can. Now I'm just gonna go in and just curl my hair. Just add like some loose curls, nothing major. I wear a lot of revamped wigs, so like it's the same hair, I just revamp them. So a lot of them are not like custom sized in my hair because I don't remake them every time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Some of them are still on like adjustable caps, so I just tighten them. And now that my hair growing back out, I can sew my wig down. So every wig I wear don't have to be like custom size. I really care more so about the hair quality. So again, I'm guaranteeing you hair that lasts up to 3 years. Custom size, so it's custom fit. Hair that holds curls, colors well. Really can't beat the deal because I did all the hard work. You don't got to test out here to know whether it's good or not. I guarantee you that it's good quality. You don't need pin curls to hold the curls. The curls are gonna stay. Of course, all hair shed and tingle to a certain extent. All hair shed and tingle to a certain extent. Once you color the hair, that does shorten the life of the hair and makes it shed more because now you have color treated hair. So you want to make sure you're using the right products to take care of the hair so that you don't dry it out, so that it's not like over processed or anything like that, so that it can last you a full 2 to 3 years. Like I said, after you color the hair, it shorten the life of it. And depending on how you take care of it after that, shortens the life. I revamp wigs, I style wigs. Some clients just drop off their wigs for a style. Some of them need a whole revamp. So a lot of people ask me, how do they know when they need a revamp, and how do they know when they just need a wig style? So with a revamp, you will need lace replacement, of course a wash and style. If the trikes are loose and they need to be like tightened up, or the wig need to be remade over, all that requires a revamp. If you just need to wash and style your wig, it's just a wash and style. Like if you don't need to replace the lace, if you don't need to change, if you don't need to replace the lace, my curling iron keep going off, it's too hot. I let it get too hot. If you don't need to replace the lace or color the hair, or if the trike's not loose on your lace, on your wig, you don't need a revamp. You just need a wash and style. This curling iron do not want to stay on. It gets too hot there. It'll shut itself down. Because my hair was curled before, I didn't add no more product into it because it still got the product on it from when I previously curled it. I'll be ready to throw these curling irons in trash. I ain't got time for the city going off and coming back on. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Go to my website, www.touchedbymya.com, to order your custom wigs, virgin hair bundles, book wig install with hair included deals, book bundle install with hair included deals, hair included install deals. Book that. All that is available on the website with ebooks. Like I said, how to revamp your wig. There's an ebook for any stylist that's looking to build their clientele. There's a few tips on how to build your clientele. The wigs that's on the website are mainly the best-selling wigs that I've had from the past few years that sell the most. If you want anything else, like the Mya Custom Color, or if you want a wig that you don't see there, you can DM me, or yeah, DM me and send me a picture of the wig that you want. You could book a consultation. Just let me know and we can make it happen. Y'all leave me comments and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me, such as like more styling videos, install videos, working on wigs, stuff like that. Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.